Once you've submitted your case, CureID moderators will be alerted and will review it to ensure it meets the guidelines and that no personally identifiable information has been accidentally included. CureID moderators may reach out to you from curesupport@nih.gov if they have any clarifying questions about your case. Once your case has been approved, you'll be able to see it in Explore under Rare Cancers, Sarcoma, and your specific sarcoma subtype, selecting case reports, along with all those cases submitted by other patients, care partners, and clinicians. Click Explore to begin to see all of the cases that have been contributed to CureID. Select Rare Cancers from the categories and either select sarcoma or type a disease such as osteosarcoma from the drop-down list. Then select the disease card. You can also access this information from the homepage by selecting Rare Cancers as a category and selecting Explore Treatment Data. This page lists the total number of cases that have currently been submitted to and approved in CureID. Select the case report tile to proceed. You can now see the top 10 drugs that have been reported across all cases for this condition if there are a sufficient number of cases. In this instance, we only have 4 cases submitted, so you cannot yet see this information. You can use the menu bar on the left to filter the cases to see just those that are of interest to you. Perhaps you're only interested in cases where the patient was female, or you want to see only those cases in which a particular drug or combination of drugs was used. You can also click on the cards to see the full details of the case report that was submitted, and can share information that you find interesting, a case that you find interesting, by clicking the share icon here at the top of the page. Now that you've seen all of the cases aggregated together, as well as the detailed data collected through the Rare Cancer Case Report form, we hope that you can see the value of CureID and the power of each individual sharing their treatment experience on the platform. Your experience may help another patient who is struggling to find effective rare cancer treatments, and in turn, the data collected from others may help you. We believe that by collecting this treatment information in a systematic way and then making all of the data openly available to the community to explore, this will help to identify treatments that look promising as well as those that do not. We're engaging with clinical trialists to share this information and hope that those treatments that appear promising can be prioritized for inclusion in randomized controlled trials where possible. By sharing your treatment experience in a structured way in this open access community, it brings us one step closer to identifying treatments that may help patients suffering from rare cancers today, while we wait for novel treatments and hopefully eventually a cure. So once again, thank you for sharing your treatment experience and for being a part of the CureID community and the search for effective treatments for patients with rare cancers.